Guys, what go on? Welcome back. For you see my background, you know, my reach, you know, my land at the place. So happy to be here. Thank you guys for being waiting on us for another vlog. You don't know me there at the place. Back in Canada. So, anyway, come for show up the KFC. Don't know, we have some KFC we bring for wife. You should go eat all of them. Alright?
Stop deadline.
Yeah, man. 2 o'clock in the morning, guys. Late night flight. Oh, first and foremost, before we start the vlog, big up to one of our subscribers. Them. You saw me at Kingston Airport, Norman Manley International Airport in chaos. I run up and down, reach at the airport late again. I'm leave my wallet. I never do an early check-in. So, needed my credit card or debit card for check on my luggage. Realized that I leave my wallet in my cousin's car. Him gone. Couldn't get in contact with him because his phone never roam. Him never have no service. Chaos. And me down to the wire. But anyhow, who saved the day? We can see who saved the day. We can see her face. Who saved the day?
Fatty.
Eh? You saved the day? Yeah, guys. So I have to link up wifey and say, yo, send a credit card information. Let me check out my luggage because, like, the woman say, yo, 5 minutes left for check on the thing. So I know that you want to hear. That's so late bug as usual. But guys, as I said, it was a fun trip, but we definitely had fun. You know what I mean? It wasn't supposed to be a fun trip, but we have fun. And we're bringing back some KFC, of course. Never get to bring in a Zinger. All who love Zinger, drop Zinger below. They are trying to buy the Zinger in at the airport. Because while we buy the KFC outside of the airport, they are trying to get the Zinger. But they're too late, so I couldn't stop and buy the Zinger based on the timing. So, forwarding without the Zinger. So, I saw the thing said still. You know what I mean? See if I kill you, you're the throne is so quiet, so. Say something.
Hi, guys.
Say something.
Wanna miss it? Tired, man.
So, you're not going to eat no chicken tonight, though? You watch me eat chicken because you say, you don't want a chicken, you know? You know what I said? Guys, so, alright, so what we get, guys, we get, original, of course. Never bring enough fries. I don't know why them change up stuff. Because, I don't know how you know. No, you can't buy like a large fries by itself. The fries come with the big deal. Oh. So you upgrade the regular fries and the juice to a mega fries and a large juice. Oh. You know what I mean? So the big deal updated to mega, but you can't get that by itself. I just buy 2 mega fries.
Okay.
But it don't work like that, right? Unless you want to buy some whip small fries. You only get that deal unless you do an upgrade.
Okay.
And I have my friend Barbecue. I have a Barbecue Zinger. Guys, make sure you not press up the like button, you know. Press up the like button and spicy. You know, from the other day, I not really too feel spicy. I'm just grab it, see me, spicy was one of my favorite.
I like spicy and barbecue.
Me used to love original and then I start eat spicy. And then now and then I eat a little barbecue. Hold the camera for me go and share. Yeah guys, so we're there in our place. I'm going to eat some food before we go to bed, of course. And bring for lunch. You bring KFC for lunch?
Maybe.
Maybe. You're quiet, eh? Be a ball, yeah, ball over wallet. Be a cry, yeah, cry.
Oh yeah, I see.
Guys, I should cry for me, you know.
You hear me cry?
I'm hearing your voice.
Not my voice.
You want to pick fight with me?
Pick a fight today because you want to leave.
Whole trip you want to fight with me. Be attitude. Be attitude, you like me.
You know why you get attitude.
All
them fries are them cooling already.
Right? What's wrong with it?
It really tastes like Jamaican fries.
Yeah, which is good. They say like it's a bad thing.
No, not a bad thing. Jamaican fries have a different taste. It does taste Jamaican, different from Canada.
No, me I look on it and I say what I'm bring come.
But you can't have it, I don't really feel. But it tastes like it comes
from Jamaica. So like one
Jamaica.
night where remember the diet, well I make them see my face. Remember the diet, so you eat 1 piece of leg.
I want barbecue.
Yeah. Barbecue?
Yeah.
Watch me, remember just watch it again just to the camera. I don't want to come to me, you know, guys. I want to match here then?
5%, yeah.
We're going to run the vlog, guys, till the battery dead. So, Do that. Yeah. She miss her boy Wally, you know.
Yeah, no money, a boy.
Yeah. They fought them there. What you want? Which piece you want?
Just eat one.
One leg?
I want
Barbecue
some.
leg?
No, leg.
You
Now
want
you
tie?
go wing.
You don't want to tie?
Too heavy now.
What? You sure make sure you come back for nothing?
No. I'm not even hungry.
You don't want nothing else on this? You don't want a fries? Yeah, well, I'm good then. I'm not share my another little box there, you know.
Okay. Yeah, end the vlog.
End vlog with 3 minutes. Very easy. From what you not even a post.
Guys, busy.
Well,
Busy, too busy.
guys, barbecue ribs.
This one not tight. This one a wing. A
You know
wing.
what I mean? You know why I'm not feel it in the moment of original time.
Oh, a wing, you know.
I don't want to give me so much breast. So we can keep
Yeah, man, so then give the man them a late when I like look. Full them up with them.
She give me the tie them in a barbecue. Just want 2 pieces and some fries. Let me arrange it that. But guys, as you can see in the previous video, we'll have a good time. Can't go to Jamaica and not really do something fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Canada do something fun too.
Oh, you? That's how you want me feel. Guys, just see how that hang up phone for me, I broke. Alright, try when me hang up, me I say, alright, I'm gone and me not hear nothing from the other line. We are trying to make me fret. We are trying to make me fret.
What's over?
Guys, tell me if you know what, if a married man out there, if your wife do them thing there, like I try make you feel uncomfortable when you're gone somewhere. That's like you can't worry. We are trying to get me to come back earlier or something.
But you are trying to get me to do.
We are trying to get me to do. We just want to enjoy myself till I come back. Why you put attitude in it and then something there? What the problem? Eh? Talk to my head upon camera, be honest. What's the problem?
I have nothing to say after 2. After 2, you know. You want to have a whole conversation after 2.
Guys, Russia jealous. Bad.
You don't know what weird when.
I don't know why.
Bertie?
So you're being so silly. Yo! Guys, Jamaica nice, but you don't know Miss Canada straight up.
You don't miss no Canada.
Straight up.
You don't miss no Canada. Jamaica in love.
Why you say that?
Stay down there.
Why you say that?
Down there if you stay. Guys, believe me when I tell you, you don't miss Canada.
Miss Canada, man.
No, you don't miss no Canada.
When see the bright lights, then I said, wow.
I don't say hello.
Look at that. Look at the bright lights.
So bright light na down in Jamaica.
No, so. Especially on the player land.
All when him hot. The guy tell me say him love it same here.
Jamaica hot like fire. You can be 3 times a day, 2-3 times a day. You can't be 1 time a day.
So you be a 3 times a day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Being a man, get up and wet. You go up on the road and come back here for wash off, and night you come in for wash off. Yeah. And you know, now man, I don't smell myself. Yeah.
Apart from the poor economic thing down in Jamaica, where do you prefer it? You prefer Canada?
Canada for sure, but I want to go Jamaica half thing.
But you want to go Jamaica half thing? Okay.
Yeah, I want to go Jamaica half. If I wish I could go Jamaica half thing.
Okay.
And do it responsibly. You know what I mean? Not in the irresponsible way. You know, set your priorities straight. Yeah, with the love you can go Jamaica every month. What do you mean? I mean just because maybe modest. Really more than that.
You don't go every 2 weeks?
Okay.
What we have down there?
No, don't do. We don't need a vibes.
Then comment below and tell me what Jamaican have down there when you want to go to Jamaica every 2 weeks. Preferably.
Jamaica is full of like vibe. Just the violence and the economy bad. But the vibe is good.
Which vibe?
The atmosphere and everything.
Feel like the vibe of Canada?
Not prime with it, but it's not the best vibe for my personality.
Oh.
I'm extremely outgoing. You know these things.
Well, Canada the best me over Jamaica. Me don't prefer Jamaica compared to Canada. Oh?
You don't say I miss Canada.
No, but it's better to me.
Of course it is better. One good alone again, the vibe.
The vibe.
That's it. You told me I go for the vibe, connection with people, family members.
Me find connection with people up here.
So what about me? I find connection with people up here, you know?
Better than Jamaica.
Me have whole connection up here, you know?
Me find connection with people better than Jamaica.
Than Jamaica.
Yeah, sure.
To each his own, guys. Tell me what your situation, like, what you experienced. Persons who live in Jamaica and currently living in Canada, what has been your experience so far? Like, you find better connections here overseas versus when you were living in Jamaica? Like, share what's your experience as an immigrant, you know what I mean? Because a lot of persons just hear them say, when them come, them kind of lose certain connections and touch on it hard. If they have certain friendship when them come overseas, you don't feel as genuine as when you're back home. Other persons,
it depends on the person.
Some person,
because some people at Jamaica, them not genuine. When me experience, them not genuine. So it depends. Maybe you are around more genuine people in Jamaica than me. But there are enough people who are hypocrites. I can't manage it. I prefer the Canada hypocrisy. Why? I can't read the play. I can't read the play. I see the play from the start to the finish. I'm 10 steps ahead of them. I know what them I do, what them I think. But Jamaica, them too crafty. Them full of too much craft. I can't manage it.
Yeah, you can't manage your craft.
No.
We love it.
Yeah.
We love it.
And then here's a true, the place not confrontational. In a Jamaica, I go confront somebody, but here's a two of them I deal with it. But just play about the same game. You just have to play the game. So, less confrontation. I have to tell them, say, look here, you do something the other day, you know. I'm going to tackle you upon it now. You just do them back something subtly, just like what them do. And just move left them.
Me opposite, you know what I say already. When I move, when I make the stone stay and turn. You know what I mean? Unless it have to stay and turn. So I like that. With the Canada culture, I like playing look of fool monkey games.
Well, when I just come and see the game, I say, Jesus, this could be real. This I must show.
Like a movie.
I say, I must show this. But nobody not dead in the show. I say, I must show this. But no, I like it.
Yeah, less problem.
I like it now.
Guys, remember, I must share what your experience has been so far. And if you're in Jamaica, we just give some pointers. Canada smooth for live, less war and problem, less crime, of course, less violence, a lot of opportunity. But if you're somewhat too real, you will come here and struggle. You're not nobody for fight with, you're not nobody for cuss, you're not nobody for tell your mind. You tell somebody your mind, them just disappear upon you.
Just block you.
Yeah, you just not see them DP. And don't think so that I'm too we, you know, if say, oh, people are black, them know me, I tell you. All the culture stay. Like, really, you have all a friend and your friend just slip yourself. And you say, yo, what go and say, no, dog, I chew. You know, say. And then full of excuse up here. Full excuse where he's a primary school.
Primary school and basic school.
And you have to just say, yo, yeah, man, me understand. When you're in Jamaica, that not fly. Man say you're too lie, man, to be foolish. So you have to just say, yo, you just laugh it off and just tell the truth. Canada, you expected to believe something where so elementary and don't make no sense.
But look like me with the lady at work. Me try move left fire. Me can just get a basic school.
Guys, guys, the basic school type of psychology disturbed me like
just
a lot.
Basic school excuse. I said, okay.
Guys,
she not believe, but she have to leave it. Me like it.
That trouble my mind and get me crazy.
It used to trouble my mind, but now when me start do it back, it not trouble my mind. Me love it now. I love it.
You're expected to believe foolishness, nonsense. And if you address it, you're confrontational and persons just slip your same way. They just hide for your same way.
But overall, you know, things say evil overall, in general, social media, people want to be tricked.
True, in life nowadays most things
So
are real.
people not even like realness no more.
No more,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah.
I think. People
That's true.
like pretend.
Yeah,
People like to ignore the obvious, you know what I mean?
People work good to make them feel good. The feel good effect.
Yeah.
If you know how to make people feel good, you already win. You don't have to be honest. Me struggle with that. Me like be myself. If me now no me talk with food no more, but if me now be myself, I feel uncomfortable. But some persons to the way you real, they must say, yo, them fake. Them can't so real, them people are fake. And then the people who fake, they must say them real. So social media is a funny place. I love it still.
Devil's playground too, you know.
I love it, but we're on it, we're in a playground.
Yeah, me and a devil though.
Yeah, but you're on the playground.
Yeah, but me not
bring
devil.
this close to you. Yeah,
I'm not the devil though.
But it is his playground. He's
Yeah.
playing with you.
Yeah, but you
understand?
have good people on it.
Okay. Alright, but you know me, I say, guys, if you don't understand where I come from, say I understand. So for me, like personally, I love both countries seriously, and this is not in a lie. But if I'm in Canada and can't get to slip out, it will kind of mess with my brain, certainly. She rushing now.
You feel trapped.
Yeah, me start get all stressed too. Because I want to go somewhere where I just hear pure truth. And man just slap me with the truth and we are reason like frank discussion, not no round a corner sideway foolishness. Man, I really enjoy being very frank. And for all who know me, my friend, them know me stay already. I make all jokes sometime about being frank. You know what I mean? So I just say, I miss that. So I would love to go to Jamaica very, very often. Just forget that and come back in at the place where perfect world. You know what I mean?
Canada, perfect word.
Yeah, it's a perfect word. Nobody not fighting. Nobody not. Yeah, nobody not thing there. And me know you have the Canada way. You call them people, you know.
Like
the Canada. Yeah, don't think me have bash Canada and start to hate me now and go over other people's channel now and I say, yeah, but the fools, I tell you what me like. Cause Russia, I miss Canada, you know. Me I miss Canada too, but me a real yard man. Canada. So, and I told we over here, yes, you know, I kind of bash a bit. We just talk how we stay, or how me stay.
How you stay.
We like slip out just to free my mind and come back in. Alright, so you don't know what they back in at the place. Hopefully all of my subscribers and real supporters them understand me fully. And don't take a message.
Big up my real supporters.
Yeah, your real supporters them now misunderstand you. You see all who me see misunderstand me and a real supporter because you have not been watching the videos and hear bits and pieces of what we say from time to time so you can know, so, oh, you know, so them stay.
And guess what? From the start to the finish, our sanking never changed.
Never change. Never change.
You understand?
Never change. Well, I see a boy look fresh like him come out of vacation, you see that? Like a vacation. So, guys, if you're not Jamaica, you want to go damn rip, anywhere you want to go. It helps. It counts just to cool out for a few days. If you're in Jamaica, you go up on the North Coast. Wow. Everybody vacation help.
Yeah, but not everybody want to leave Canada to go on vacation.
Well, you don't have to leave. You can go change the environment, change the scenery. Go somewhere else and chill out for 2 days, 3 days and come back in. Definitely help. You know? So anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Thanks always tuning in. We're back in the place. And
I never gone anywhere, guys.
But you never vlog by yourself, man.
No, a lot going on. A lot's going on.
Yeah. So the battery dead a while ago, guys. So we're gonna wrap up. See you next time. Big up on yourself as usual. We know we did a chat with on and on and on and on. But thank you guys for watching.
All my day ones, drop a like. And all of the new subbies them, drop a like if you appreciate us. Alright guys, I'll see you in another vlog. Good night.
We're out.